So in this video, you're going to learn how to upload ads to individual ad groups using Google Ads Editor. To achieve this, we will use an ad build template that you can download from the link in the description below. This specific template is very similar to the keyword build template that we used in earlier videos. However, this template includes the ad copy that you will need to include to upload your ads. So this is how the ad build template looks like. In this specific template, you have 3 tabs. So the first tab is the campaign source info, where all your tracking parameters will go. The second tab is the campaign name and the ad group tab. So here you will copy the campaign name and the ad groups where you want to upload ads to. And the third tab is where you will include your ad copy for all the ads that you have created. You will add them here so that the template is built and it can be easily uploaded to the ads editor. So if we go back into the final URL creator tab, the first thing that we will need to do is upload our campaign name and the ad groups to these columns here. To do that, I will go back to my keyword build template. I'll copy my campaign name and the ad groups, go back into the ad build template and paste your campaign name and ad groups. Here, there's one thing that you need to make sure that your campaign name is exactly the same for all the ad groups. So you are uploading ads to just one campaign with multiple ad groups using this template. So once you have copied your campaign and your ad groups where you want to upload your ads, you simply need to go into your AdWords ad copy tab. Here you can see that the campaign name and the ad groups are already appearing on the column B and C here. What you will need to do now is to upload your ad copy. To do that, on the left hand side here on column A1, this is the ad quantity. So in order to upload 4 ads to this specific template, what we will need to do is filter this to select only number 1. So this will be our ad number 1 that we will be uploading. So I'll go into the ad copy that I have written for this specific campaign. Just copy the ad copy. This includes your ad number, your headline, your descriptions, and it will also include your final URL. So I'll go back and grab the final URL, go back, include my final URL there. So that's my ad number 1. Now you can see on the left hand side that this specific ad with ad number ppc-tt1 is currently with the ad group tt-eyebrow threading. So in order for this ad to appear against all of these ad groups, what I will need to do is copy this ad up until the final URL and simply select the remaining ad groups that are empty and then press Ctrl D. So Ctrl C, and then you select these ads up to the ad groups, Ctrl D, and now your ad is there. So now what that means is this ad is when you will upload this ad will appear against each of these ad groups on the in the C column here. Now to upload our second ad, simply click on the filter again and select number 2. So this will be our ad number 2. Go back into our ad copy template. You can create your own ad copy template, or you can download this ad template from the Google Sheets. There will be a link in the description below. So this is my ad number 2. I'll copy that and go back into my ad build template. Similar to ad 1, we'll just copy this again. We'll need to include the final URL here. So I'll capture the final URL, paste my final URL there, and similar to what we did for ad number 1, we'll do the same for all these. So I'll copy and go down, Control D. So I'll paste that here. Now you can see that I've gone over the ad groups, so I will not need to copy these ads up until here. So I will just need to delete them from my template. So each ad group has its own ad number 2. Similar to this, we'll just go back and select ad number 3. Go and grab our ad number 3 from the template. Copy. Paste our ad there. And what you can do is basically you can add the funnel URL later as well. So say because I was finding it difficult to move across over to see the funnel URL, I can first add the ad copy. So say Control C and then press Control D to duplicate this ad. Again, I've gone slightly over, so I'll just remove the excess ad copy here from here and then go back and grab the final URL. There you go. So now I've got the final URL there. Again, select up all the ad groups and press Control D to duplicate this final URL across all of the ads. Select ad number 4, press OK, go back, grab your ad number 4, go back to your ad build template, paste your ad, Control C, and again copy it against each ad group, Control D, and then go back and grab your final URL. There you go. Control D. So now you have copied in all the 4 ads for your campaign for each individual ad group, and each ad group has now 4 ads. So to upload these ads, you will need to remove this filter on the left hand side. If you clear this filter, now you will notice that each of these ad groups will have 1 ad. So if you look at here, so this ad group has been copied in 4 times. So each of these ad group has PPC ad number 1, ad number 2, ad number 3, ad number 4, similar to the other ad group as well. So each ad group has 4 ads. For some reason, I am getting an ad over here in the bottom. I'll just remove that from my template. And then in order to upload these, I will need to just copy them from the campaign column up until the custom parameters column, Control C. Go into your Google Ads editor. Now, once you are in the Google Ads editor, you will need to ensure that you are on the tree view, you are at the account level, and on the in the manage view, you are at the ads level. Now you can see that there are currently 752 ads showing here, but these ads belong to different campaign. These ads don't belong to this specific campaign. So if I select this campaign, which is threading terms -UK search exact, you can see that there are no expanded text ads appearing here, which we are going to upload now. However, we will not need to select this in the this campaign in the account level to upload these ads. We will need to select the account level when we are uploading the expanded text ads. This is a mistake that I used to do quite a lot when I was starting out with the Google Ads editor. So now that you have selected the account level and you have selected the expanded text ads in the manage view, simply click on make multiple changes in the data view. And then if you go back into your ad build template, Control C, go back and Control V. So now we have pasted all our data from our template. So now this is our campaign name. Just make sure that each of these parameters appear against the right column. So this is our campaign, this is our ad group, these are our ad numbers. So it will show that this will not import the ad number, but don't worry about it. It will import the ad number. I don't know what the reason behind it, but for some reason it does not pick up the ad number as one of the parameters in this editor. So this is our headline 1, headline 2, and so on and so forth. Also, just make sure that you have the custom parameters updated as well, because sometimes you have to manually go down and select custom parameters when you're uploading your ads. Now, once you're happy with the overall look of the campaign of the ads, just click on process. So now this is your confirmation screen that says there are expanded text ads that have been uploaded or added, and these are 40. So because we had 10 ad groups and each ad group had 4 ads, so 10 multiplied by 40 is 40 ads. So this is how you can review and see that the correct number of ads have been uploaded. So click on finish and review. So now once you have uploaded your ads into your ads editor, you will notice once you click on in the account level, if you click on this campaign, you can see that there are 40 new ads that are appearing, and these are all in bold text. That means they still need to be uploaded to your actual account online. So before we post these ads online, we will need to make sure that they have the correct tracking template appearing against them, and the custom parameters have also been uploaded correctly. So to do that, we will need to go in our edit view, click on URL options, drag this to the left, and you can see that the tracking template is appearing on the top there. You have your campaign custom parameter value. So this is your campaign name that's appearing, this is your ad group that's appearing, and this is your ad number, which is ppc-tt-1, which it said in the beginning that it will not be importing this ad number when it does. Right, so similar to that, so what we can do is we can just select in the data view and just go down, and you can see now this is ppc-tt2, so this is our ad number 2, and you can see that the ad group is still the same. So if you go back, so this ad group is eyebrow threading. This is our ad number 1. Go to the second one. This is again eyebrow threading. This is our ad number 2. This is eyebrow threading again, ad number 3, and eyebrow threading and ad number 4. And then it goes on to the next keyword or ad group, and it will upload all the 4 ads against those ad groups. Once these ads have been uploaded into the Google Ads editor, click and you're happy with them, just simply click on keep. Now you have these ads ready to go live, and this campaign ready to go live. You can upload these to your account online. But before I upload these online, I just want to make sure that this campaign has been paused, so that when you're uploading, once you have uploaded, you can have a final review of your ads before you turn the campaign to go live. So once you're happy, simply select on your account level and click on this button on the right hand side which says post changes to this account. Click on post changes, and what it will show you is that it will post one new campaign that will have 10 ad groups, and it will have 10 keywords because we are using the SKAGs, which are single keyword ad groups. If you have not seen my previous videos, you can watch my previous videos on how you can upload your keywords with one ad group. So each keyword will have a single ad group. They will be targeting one location, and there are 40 expanded text ads in that campaign because each keyword has 4 ads attributed to that specific keyword. Once we are happy, click on post. And now this data will be posted to your account online. So simply click on close and go into your online account. Once you are in your campaign account online, if you click on the campaigns tab on the left hand side, you can see all the campaigns appearing here. Now the threading terms is the campaign that we have just uploaded. So if you click on that campaign, you'll be able to see all the ad groups that are included in that campaign. And if you click on the ads, you can see all the ads within the threading terms campaign that we have just uploaded. Here I want to share with you one tip. So say you are in all campaigns, and these are all the campaigns that you have in your account, and you click on ads. You have the ads appearing from all the campaigns here now. So in order to quickly access the ads that you have created for a specific campaign, in this case, say for example, we have added the ads for the threading campaign. So I will just type in here campaign name and contains dash, and I'll put thread, and I click apply. So because by using hyphens or dash, I have been able to easily filter my campaigns to view the content that I quickly want to see. So whether it's the keywords or the ads or site link extensions that I may have applied to this campaign. Now because we got filter applied, I will only see the ads appearing against the threading campaign that we have just uploaded. Now the other thing that I will want to check once I've uploaded the campaign is go into the settings tab. So if I go back into the campaigns, select the threading terms campaign, go into the settings tab, and you can see that this campaign is currently paused. It has a £10 budget. The location is targeting is United Kingdom. It's on the search network, and this is using enhanced CPC bidding. You can change that here to just manual CPC bidding. I will also talk about the bidding strategies in the coming videos. So also if you scroll down, all the settings look okay for us to go live with this specific campaign. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have any questions that you need to ask, comment down below and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any videos that I upload in future. Thanks for watching, and let's catch up in the next video.